How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a ab workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we will be doing today is gonna be Russian ab twists. So one of my favorites. We'll do 10 reps, 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. So let's get started, my friends. So we want to be in this position, and then we go 1, 2, just like that. 10 reps, voila. My 8th video of the day. Got one more after this. It's gonna be a face fat video, and then that is it. I am done. I can then start watching my show again. I am not eating either till about noon, so about two and a half hours to go. I am getting a little bit hungry, so I'm just gonna have some more coffee. Coffee is good if you're cutting weight. It suppresses your appetite, so it's really good. I don't like cutting weight that much when I am sick. I'm not really sick, I just had a sore throat the last couple of days, so. But yeah, 2 more vids, should be done by about 10 o'clock, and then I'm done for the day. I can do whatever I want. Probably just watch some Netflix, to be honest, chill. I ran out of Diet Coke, so I got no Diet Coke. I'm probably gonna stop drinking that since I do have the coffee. So another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. For lunch today at noon, I'm gonna be making spaghetti. I'm gonna make I'm gonna eat 300 grams of spaghetti with some Cheez Whiz. It's gonna taste amazing. And that's part of my new diet. My new diet's gonna consist of 2 peanut butter and jam sandwiches, 3 servings of spaghetti, 300 grams of spaghetti with Cheez Whiz, and then right now it's probably gonna consist of, peanut butter and J 750, spaghetti 650, so that's 1300. 750, 650, that's 1400. And then I'm going to have rice and ground beef, that's about 600 calories, and then oatmeal before I go to bed. So that gives me about 2400 calories. Pretty good calories too, pretty cheap. 1, 2. I will be throwing in some vegetables here and there just so I get some vitamins and minerals, but that's gonna be the main diet. Again, 2 peanut butter and jam sandwiches, 300 grams of spaghetti with cheese, 2 servings of white rice with 100 grams of ground beef with some soy sauce or barbecue sauce on that, and then 3 servings of oatmeal with brown sugar. So that's gonna be really good, actually. The oatmeal is very, very filling. And the brown sugar just makes it taste amazing. The thing is, you can actually add quite a bit of brown sugar, and it really doesn't add that many calories because the oatmeal for 3 servings only has 330 calories. So I could literally add like 170 calories worth of sugar, and I would still be at 500 calories. So I'm not gonna add that much sugar, that'd be kind of gross, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But yeah, I haven't had spaghetti in a while, so I will be making that. And yeah, should be pretty good. But yeah, out of Diet Coke, I'm not gonna buy that anymore. I'll buy it once in a while, but not all the time. Just because it isn't that good for you. Maybe I'll get a Slurpee today or something, I don't know. So we'll do another tip. Maybe I'll get popcorn. No, I can't get popcorn. So, 1, 2, Hoorah! I've actually been eating popcorn for the last 2 weeks every day for supper, so the movie theater popcorn is amazing. Like, that completely demolishes any popcorn you can get at the store. So movie theater popcorn is the best. That's probably my top 3 favorite foods. My top 3 favorite foods are, my top 4. Steak, chips, Chinese food, and movie theater popcorn. Not in that order. I don't know what my favorite one would be. Probably Chinese food, my number 1. Then probably movie theater popcorn, followed by chips, followed by steak. It's probably my favorite foods. Not a big fan of chocolate. I don't mind it, but I'm more of salty. They're sweet and salty. Some people like chocolate, sweets, cakes. I'm more of the salty type. I like chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's probably also why I get a ton of canker sores in my mouth, because salt is what causes canker sores. But yeah, I am doing my taxes next week. Again, this video has been made March 1st, but it's being uploaded August 9th or 10th, whatever the day is. So again, doing my taxes in March 1st. Next week, so that'll be like March 7th. And I guess me and the wife have to go together. We have to file together, which is weird. I thought you just file separately, but I guess we have to file together, whatever. 1, 2. Actually, it might not be too bad because I'm gonna owe a shitload and my wife's probably gonna get some money back. So my total might not be that bad. We will see. But again, I am expecting a shitload that I will be owing. But that is okay. The more you owe just means the more I am making on the investments in the YouTube, so that is perfectly fine with me. The more, the better. My wedding ring too is getting super loose. Check this out. Just like that, it just comes off. Like I barely put any pressure. My hands are pretty warm, but if they get super cold, this comes off like very, very easy. Like just falls off like that. I've actually lost it around the house. I think 3 times now I've lost it. So I try not to wear it. I think I need to get it resized. The thing that sucks though is because since I gain weight and then lose weight so frequently, it could be tight when I'm at 206 pounds, but when I get down to 174, it's super loose. So probably will be staying around 170 for the foreseeable future. Like look how much space is between that. Look at all the space. So I probably will be staying at 170 for the future, the foreseeable future. So I'll probably get my ring resized, to be honest. Okay, we will do another 10, and that is the end of the workout. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I might not even make my next video. I might just make 8 videos, then call it a day, to be honest. Wife wants me to make her some food, so I will do that. I actually did quite a bit today already. In the morning, I cleaned up the kitchen, put all the garbage away, put the dishes away, put the dishes back in the dishwasher, the dirty ones. Now I'm making her breakfast, then in a couple hours I'm gonna make my spaghetti. So I've been actually pretty busy today, to be honest. I'm actually gonna have some coffee too right away. And yeah, I don't think I'll make another video for the day. So I will finish off at making 8 videos for the day, which is still pretty solid in my opinion. Again, sorry, I'll end it with that. Sorry for boring you guys if I bored you. Anyways, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.